see it and your dreams come true.
I just got to the train station and it's so unlike me to get here this early. Like, I literally have time to talk to you, put on my lip gloss, just like sit in the car and compose myself before I go out. I typically just get here, park, and I'm literally running to catch my train. But thank God, I hope I can keep this up because I don't feel rushed. I just feel like very good. It feels calm and it just feels nice to not be in a rush. So I typically take the train to work. I hardly drive for two reasons. Number one, I don't have $25 to $30 to pay parking every single time I go to the office. And the second reason, it's not a good use of my time. The time I spend on the train, like, I can read, I can check my phone, I can, do a little bit of work, respond to emails. I can do so much that I can't do if I was driving because I need to be super focused on the road. And the traffic in Toronto, especially the DVP area, when you get to like that DVP spot, it's terrible. I don't want to deal with that. I actually used to drive in the past with a colleague who lives pretty close to me. But one day we got stuck in traffic for 2 hours on like a distance that's supposed to take us 40 minutes. And ever since that day, I was like, I'm not doing that again. I just became a train girl and yeah, I love it. So let me actually just check my calendar. Here's my phone. Just want to check my calendar to see what I'm walking into today. Okay. All right, I have 3 minutes before my train gets here, so let me rush for my train.
The quiet zone is now in effect on the top level of this train.
La zone silencieuse est désormais en vigueur au niveau supérieur de ce train.
This month I've been reading The Psychology of Money. Funny thing, this book wasn't on my 2025 reading list, but one of my colleagues gave it to me and here we are. Biggest takeaways so far is that knowledge or intelligence isn't necessarily what makes people rich, it's behavior. It's been the best time for me to read this because I've also just been on a journey of reprogramming my mind, on a personal level, just training my thoughts and habits to really align with the future I want. One of the people I listen to here on YouTube is Layla Homozi, and she talks a lot about how you don't get what you deserve, you get what you're consistent with. So often, we're waiting for motivation, praying and trusting God for opportunities, when in reality, some of the things that we want don't even require fasting or prayer. You just need to show up with discipline and excellence, even when it's boring, even when you don't want to. With reprogramming my mind, I've been raising my standards, just doing my best work even when no one's watching me, learning skills that stretch me, and refusing to settle for just getting by. And that ties in perfectly with what I'm reading in The Psychology of Money. Getting wealthy is one thing, but to stay in that position, you have to work on your habits because money responds to character. So yeah, I'm in a season of upgrading my habits and standards because you don't rise to the level of your goals, you rise to the level of your standards. I've personally decided that excellence needs to be my baseline, not my exception. This is even biblical. In Psalm 16:3, it talks about how the godly who are in the land are excellent and the Lord delighting in them. We have to show up prepared. We got to do the hard things. And most importantly, keep the promises we make to ourselves, even when no one's watching. So some of the questions I've been asking myself are what story I'm telling myself every day, whether I speak like somebody who's capable of more or somebody that's just stuck. Because we all know this already. Our minds believe whatever it is we repeatedly say. So expand your mind, and in so doing, you're increasing your earning potential.
I really, really, really need to pee, so I want to get home as soon as possible. I just hope there is no traffic, which I don't even know why I'm saying that. There's always traffic.
We're all set. Drive safely.
Oh my gosh, there's so much traffic even just to get out of the parking lot.
Yeah, I feel free. I feel free. Feeling see. Breathing when you're here. You're singing and your dreams come true tonight. Feeling see. Breathing when you're here. You're singing and your dreams come true.
Alright, I'm home. Yes, it's that time again. There's this one house in my neighborhood. They go all out when it comes to Halloween, and I just saw that they just started. Like, they literally go all out. You won't see a single green spot on their grass. They go the extra mile.
I want to quickly bake something. We're going to a friend's place for dinner, and one thing about me, I don't like showing up to people's houses empty-handed. So it's either I'm gonna quickly bake something, or usually I'll bake something. I could also just pass through the store and buy a bottle of something, but I always think just something that's homemade, it just feels more special and heartfelt. So I'm gonna bake something, but we need to leave the house in the next 30 minutes so that we can get there before 7. And I'm thinking based on the time we have, I should make cookies because that's gonna take 10-12 minutes max. Yeah, let's do cookies. So I'm gonna need oats. I'll need flour.
Day to day, I'm a fighter, holding my head up high. Be strong or beaten down by heaviness of the grind. Mind over matter, now I want to walk out in the rain, just grateful for the day. See beyond the drama, always unafraid.
My cookies are in the oven baking, and while I wait, I'm gonna load the dishwasher and just clear up the stuff I use. It's not a lot, just mostly items Kay used during the day whilst I was at work.
Still love who I am when people cut me down. Keep my head so clear with chaos all around, and be always okay. I'm steadfast and mind. Go ahead and bring it on. Bad steps rolling right off, so kick it, make it gone. Mind over matter, easy to walk out in the rain, just grateful for the day. See beyond the drama, always unafraid. Still love who I am when people cut me down. Keep my head so clear with chaos all around.
Sorrel. Oh my god, so many leaves. And I got and there's actually more inside. Like a lot of stuff. Peppers.
But we can stay all night. See the city lights.
So we just got home and I want to quickly do my skincare and just get into bed. I'm so exhausted. It's way past my bedtime. It is 11:43. Yeah, that's way past my bedtime. So I just want to do my skincare and then that's it. I just want to do my skincare. I need to film tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow and I want to use that time to batch film for YouTube. If it wasn't for that, I was just gonna go to sleep like this. But I don't want to wake up with my face looking, I don't know, I just want to make sure that my skin looks good when I wake up. So I do need to do my skincare. I think I found a way to stay consistent on YouTube, and that's taking a weekday off, using that to batch film. That way I know I'm guaranteed all my sit-down videos for the month. I did that last month. I booked a day off and I filmed like three or four videos, and I didn't have to worry about filming after that. So I'm doing it again today. Tomorrow I'm gonna be off, going to film, and I think I'll be doing that moving forward. But yeah, basically I say that to say I need to do my skincare even though I'm so sleepy, because tomorrow is filming day and I need my skin to be skinning, basically to be looking decent. So yeah, I'm also just gonna remove this because there's like this thing that is not gonna be comfortable when I'm sleeping. So let's tie the hair and do some skincare. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you watched until this point, please let me know. I'd love to know. Leave a white emoji in the comments. I love you. There's nothing you can do about it. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.